Hello, and welcome back to Epsom Health Limited, your trusted source for all things health and wellness. In today's video, we'll be discussing the advantages of using Pilates for back pain. If you've been struggling with back pain, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the benefits of Pilates, let's take a moment to understand just how common back pain problems are in the general population. Back pain is a widespread issue that affects millions of people around the world. In fact, studies have shown that nearly 80% of adults experience back pain at some point in their lives. It can range from mild discomfort to chronic, debilitating pain that affects our daily activities. If you're one of those individuals, you know just how challenging it can be to find effective relief. That's where Pilates comes in. Pilates is a low-impact exercise method that focuses on strengthening the core muscles, improving flexibility, and promoting overall body alignment. It was developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, and has since gained popularity for its numerous health benefits. So, what exactly are the advantages of Pilates when it comes to back pain? Let me break it down for you. 1. Core strength and stability. Pilates targets the deep abdominal muscles, including the transverse abdominis, which provides essential support to the spine. Strengthening these muscles can help alleviate back pain and improve posture. 2. Flexibility and range of motion. Regular Pilates practice can enhance flexibility, particularly in the muscles surrounding the spine. Increased flexibility can relieve muscle tension and stiffness that contribute to back pain. 3. Body awareness and alignment. Pilates focuses on proper body alignment and teaches you to be more aware of your posture and movement patterns. This awareness can help you identify and correct habits that may be causing or worsening your back pain. 4. Stress reduction. Pilates incorporates mindful breathing techniques, promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. Lowering stress can have a positive impact on back pain, as stress often exacerbates muscular tension. 5. Low-impact exercise. Pilates is gentle on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Its low-impact nature reduces the risk of further aggravating back pain, while still providing a challenging workout. While Pilates offers a range of advantages for back pain, it's important to note that it may not be suitable for everyone. Before embarking on a Pilates routine, it's crucial to consult with your general practitioner or doctor, to ensure it's the right choice for you. They can assess your specific condition, and provide guidance tailored to your needs. In addition to Pilates, there are various medicinal products available that can provide additional relief for back pain. These may include over-the-counter pain relievers, muscle relaxants, or topical treatments. However, it's essential to remember that medication should be used as directed by your healthcare professional and not as a long-term solution. Before we wrap up for Pilates scenes, we'd like to take a moment to thank our subscribers for their continued support. Your engagement, comments, and feedback mean the world to us. It's your support that allows us to produce informative and helpful videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, we encourage you to do so. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest health-related content, and help us continue creating valuable resources for everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Epsom Health Limited. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Remember, Pilates can be a fantastic tool in managing back pain, but always consult your healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen. Take care of your back, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy. Now, let's get to see Pilates in action.
Centimeters, socks, we don't do it with shoes on, and a small ball, towel and water bottle.
You're giving me wind and rain. leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't really miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
you.